Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and the country you're watching me from, please. So welcome again to my YouTube channel, Akaliche Vlogs Kenya, East Africa, Kenya, guys. So welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel, my videos, watching, liking and sharing. Thank you so much. Continue supporting your girl here, and I'll really appreciate. On this channel we are doing lifestyle, this channel we are doing hacks, in this channel we are cleaning. Generally we are just doing lifestyle, different recipes, and we also play games. We do so many things on this channel, so recipes that you can do, or you can come and know that they are there. So welcome guys to the channel. Please enjoy as you watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, to like, to share, and to leave a nice comment for me. So for today we are going to make an oven chicken. Today we are going to make an oven chicken. As you can see there's my chicken. It's 1.5 kg, and it's broiler. So first I'm going to mix what I'm going to marinate my chicken with. So this is vinegar. For me, for broilers, I must use brown vinegar, and this is craving browning for taste and for the color. And there we have soy sauce also for the taste and for the color. And here I have what you call currying powder. This is the local currying powder. Yeah, for those people who live in Kenya, when I say local, they know what I mean. And this is paprika, and this is paprika here, and this is cayenne pepper. Yeah, this is cayenne pepper. I'm going just to put tiny because of the kids. And here I have my salt. This is herbal salt. That is herbal salt. And here we have curry powder from the supermarket. Yeah, this one's from the supermarket, but the first one, it was local. You go to the food stuff market and you'll find one, especially if you live in Kenya. So this is supermarket curry powder. I think you can get this in any supermarket around you if you live in Kenya. And you are going to add tiny oil. As I said, remember the chicken has already oil, because broilers, they normally have oil. So we are going to just add tiny oil, and then I'm gonna mix everything together, mix these spices together, and then I marinate the chicken very well everywhere, and then I put it in the fridge. I'll put the chicken in the fridge for like 30 minutes, between 30 minutes and 1 hour. But the earlier you do this recipe, the better. Yeah, the earlier you do it, the better, because if you marinate your chicken earlier and give it time, if you have fridge and then you decide to put it inside the fridge, it marinates very well. So for me, I'm kind of late for dinner, so I'm just going to give it 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to give it 30 minutes. So there I'm having my kitchen gloves, having my kitchen, my cooking gloves there, because I don't want the spice to be all over my fingers. So I'm going to put that on, and then we marinate our chicken. As I said earlier, marinate and then I put in the fridge, and then later I'll take it out after 30 minutes and then we see what follows. So for me, for the chicken, I don't like this part. Oh guys, I don't like this part. I don't at all. So I have to remove that and throw it away. and then it's time to marinate. So please enjoy the video, like, share, make sure you leave a nice comment for me, please, plus a like and a subscribe if you are joining the family for the first time. Please remember to subscribe. So enjoy the video, guys, as enjoy the recipe. After, here's the fridge. After the fridge is inside the oven. After the oven, the chicken will be ready to be eaten. So welcome, 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 welcome.
The world goes quiet in a heartbeat, like the stars are holding their breath. Every moment feels a little brighter when your eyes cut through the rest. I've been stumbling, I've been searching for the words I couldn't say, but they all come alive when you look
So as I have written earlier on the screen, I set the oven for 1 hour. So this is after 40 minutes. This is after 40 minutes. I want to check how the chicken is cooking, and then I flip it the other side. As you can see, I'm doing here, flip it the other side. And the potatoes, the carrot are ready. You can take them as they are, but for me, I want them somehow crispy. Yeah, I want them somehow crispy. And you can see how the chicken is turning out. The aroma, oh, the aroma is good. So that was after 40 minutes. Let me return it inside, and then we finish the remaining 20 minutes, and I think the chicken will be ready. Yeah, just return for 20 minutes to complete the 1 hour, and then our chicken will be ready. So I'm back, guys. This is after 20 minutes. The aroma in the house. Time to set my oven. Yeah, the aroma inside the house. Wow. So this is after 20 minutes, and it is ready now. You can see when the potatoes are more crispy. See that, guys? Oh my god, looking so yummy, looking so yummy. It looks so yummy. It looks so yummy, guys. Yeah, it is looking so yummy. And the aroma, oh my god, wow, the spices did what they're supposed to do. It's so yummy. And you see the potatoes on top, they're kind of crunchy, and inside they are very soft. Yes, the chicken, look at that. Wow, looks so delicious. It looks so delicious. You see, oh my god, you just need to, you don't even need more energy to take the piece. It has cooked inside and outside. Yeah, so this is how you can make your chicken just in the house. You can make it yourself in the oven if you have one. So thank you so much. Thank you, guys, for watching. At this far, I think now you can subscribe, because I've given you the reason to subscribe. You can subscribe, can consider subscribing. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video. Let us meet in the next video, and bye bye. The chicken was so yummy and very soft. You can even see the thighs. They're just coming out. The thighs are just coming out, and the top layer was very crunchy. Top layer was very crunchy, very crunchy. So thank you and bye bye, and please remember to like, to share and subscribe. Bye bye.